Hi, and thank you so much for joining. So as you can see in this video, I'm going to be creating this lovely thing. I'm going to show you how I did this. It's an old dartboard that I took and created kind of like the surrounding area out of the corks that I had. Now this is the second video with the corks that I've done. The first one I'm going to link up somewhere here. Please check it out to see what I've done before, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So first I wanted to show you what I did consider buying just off of Amazon. There are some really great options, but all of these options are over $200 and some of them are out of stock, so really cool LED lights and things like that. What struck my attention was this specific thing that I found on the internet, on a blog, and I'm going to link it down below. It was just a great idea of what to do with the dartboard and the lots of corks that I have, which was basically I was sold on this idea and I loved that I could do it myself. So over here I am just selecting the cardboard. It's just a very basic cardboard. It's best of course if you have some kind of a wooden backing, but I didn't have anything, and nor do I have like the way to cut it, so cardboard it was. Glue gunning it down and pressing everything down really nicely. The sides, the advantage of cardboard is that it's movable, so I could lift it up a little bit and put more glue gun from all of the sides. Over here, all of the corks came outside, and I was trying to figure out the design of it and how I would want to lay this out. The first two layers I wanted to have the cork standing up, but then I quickly realized that they're too tall, might be a challenge to throw darts at, so I decided to soak it up so that it's easier to cut. And then I cut each of the corks into 3 parts. With one of the parts, that's the one that has the burgundy color, I was hoping that would be the outer, the second layer, and the first layer would be just a plain cork light color. So over here I am glue gunning everything around. This actually took a very long time, surprisingly. Here is, you can see already, this is day 2, and you can see that I'm doing already 4 rows of corks. So 2 of the circles, and then I have a row where they are lay flat on the side, and then another 4th row when they are kind of going across. Here is a view of how this all worked out. Lots of glue gun went into this. I don't know how many packs, good 5 or 6 or maybe even more packs. And each pack has, I don't know, maybe 10 glue gun sticks. Looking good, but this was only day 2. And of course, lots of glue gun threads that I will later on take out. It's coming together. Now I have the 5th row, the one that's again with the corks going kind of diagonally. I'm not sure how to describe that. And over here it is done. I cut out the cardboard. I have placed a couple of stickers on top so that it just gives me extra padding. And over here is the final result. Now, before I place this onto the wall, I decided that, well, I started already having the outer, the second layer be the wine color layer, but a lot of the corks didn't have that color, so I just kind of hacked it using watercolors, and it worked pretty well. The color was really wine colory, and it looked great. Amazon Prime has delivered me my lovely darts. I'm very happy with, so I'm gonna link this down at the bottom. They were not expensive at all. I think they were about, I would say $18, something like that, Canadian. Putting them all together. And doing a little test. So here's the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, like, and share if you did. And please try it yourself if you have this crazy amount of corks. Thank you. Bye.